if you want to do your local market and you want to do virtual attraction marketing for your local market, make local market videos. Okay.
Mhm.
For example, not like what I do, where this is a video that'll go out on YouTube later this month or something. Okay. This is not something homeowners are interested in. But what they are interested in is when you make a video, hey, Kansas City, this is Justin. Hey, I'm out here buying houses today. I'm actually in the mood to take over some house payments. If y'all know anybody that wants to get out from under a house payment and just walk away, have them call me. All right. Love you, Kansas City. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. That's a short. Okay. That took 25 seconds. That goes on YouTube. I keyword it, tags, hashtag Kansas City.
Mhm. Okay.
Now, when Google, people are searching Kansas City real estate, now Google has my video as an option to show them, hey, here's somebody doing real estate today in Kansas City. If you did that every day, Google would have a lot of videos that are local specific, and they could, anytime anybody searches Kansas City real estate, guess what video they recommend someone watch?
Justin's.
I'm doing that. That's how you get business locally, SEO locally, ranking high on Google first page locally. Okay. The other trick to that is reviews, Google reviews. The third trick to that is what I call PR backlinks. Okay. So I don't get any real deals from the YouTube channel that I have because it's not what it's geared for, but you could. Here's another thing that I've played around with that you can do. Make a video just like the one I just said. Hey, Kansas City, this is Justin. I love taking over house payments. Got a house you just want to walk away from? Have no equity? Can't use a realtor? Perfect. I love these types of deals. Call me now. Damn. It's like I used to work for a used car salesman. So anyway, make a video like that. When you put it on YouTube, tag it Kansas City or your local market, okay?
Mhm.
It has a bot that's going to see the tag. It's going to hear you say Kansas City. It's going to hear you say house. It's going to hear you say payments. It's going to hear you say real estate. In the video where you say it, it listens to your words and it compiles where best to fit your video based on what you said and what you tagged it. Okay. Mm-hmm. So then it wants to put it now in the real estate market in Kansas City. So when people search that, it pops up. That's great. But here's even better. There's a little button right next to the video on YouTube that you can click and it'll drop down a menu and it'll be like edit it, download it, promote it. Okay. You can click promote and you can go promote your ad in your local market on YouTube. So now when people in your local market watch YouTube, before they watch their video, guess what annoying ad pops up?
Mine.
Yours. Yeah. And you can do this, honestly, if you're going to do this really the right way, it's going to cost you somewhere between $15 and $25 a day.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Okay, because it's expensive. It's not expensive to go nationwide. That's why I do it, right? Mm-hmm. It is expensive to go niche down into your local market. It's very pricey. And when I say very pricey, how very pricey can it be when the profit you would get from one deal could be 10, 15 grand? And we're talking about spending $450 a month or something, you know. $15 a day is $450 a month. That's not an insane marketing budget for a business to have. $450 a month.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, in your local market. Some people out here in the world are subscribing to ZBuyer. Have you ever heard of ZBuyer?
No.
Mm-mm.
You should look up ZBuyer, and they'll sell you a geographic, like they'll sell you a territory. Okay, now you have a territory. They're going to generate online leads for you. Last time I checked into it, people got one deal a year out of it, and it was $450 a month.
Wow.
You literally could get more bang for your buck for the $450 promoting it yourself. Just make a video, 30 seconds, tag it your local market, talk about your local market, promote it in your local market. Spend the $450 promoting it in your local market. People only in those zip codes will see it. Your farm territory, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
Those are the only people that are going to see it. What an incredible world we live in, y'all. Holy
Amazing.
shit. Holy shit.